Hello everyone, welcome to Midweek Madness, Wednesdays at 1 o'clock, and I am Miss Amy, and I work at Dwight Foster Public Library. Today, our Midweek Madness challenge is going to be a milk jug catcher. So that's what we're going to make today. And the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need masking tape. If you want to use duct tape or painter's tape, you can, but if you want to color it and make it kind of your own, then masking tape is best. You're going to need a scissors. You're going to need permanent markers, or you can use washable markers. That's up to you. Obviously, the age of your kids is what you want to work with. You're going to need newspaper or some kind of computer paper would be fine, printer paper, construction paper, any kind of paper that you can smush up. So that's what you want. And then you're going to need a milk jug. Now the milk jug I'm using is a gallon jug. You could definitely use a half-gallon jug. I have big kids, so we don't use half gallons in my house, only gallons of milk. So that's what I have. All right. So you ready? Let's get started on our challenge. All right, so let's start. So the first thing we need to do is we need to take our gallon milk jug and we are going to cut out the bottom. So it'll look like this. That'll be the piece we're going to cut out. I find it easiest if you kind of go along, there's kind of a line there or right below the ridges here. Poke it in and then we're going to cut. There is our piece. Right. So it should look like that. The next thing we need to do is we're going to take our masking tape. And the masking tape we're going to take kind of in pieces like that. So take a piece. And I'm going to do it backwards so that you can see it. But you're going to take it and half of it should go on it. You can see that, so half, and then the other half is going to be over it. And the reason we're doing that for this top part is then you're going to fold it over. And we're doing it so that in case there is anything that's a tiny bit sharp, we're not going to hurt ourselves at all. So that's what we're going to do all the way around. So again, I'm going to start kind of by overlapping and then following it around. Again, same thing. And then I'm going to just fold it over. And then squeeze it nice and tight so that it's on there securely. And our last piece for going around our first time. All right, so now we're all set. So we've got it so that we are not going to hurt ourselves in any way, just in case there is something sharp. Shouldn't be too bad, but this just helps it. Then you can decide how many times you'd like to go around for decorating. Now you could decorate almost the whole thing. And for this, you're just going to start so that you're up next to the one you already put on, and you're going to go around. So this is more for decorating than anything, all right? made it round once, and then I'm going to do another time around so that we can decorate a little bit more. All right. And if you end up at the end of your tape and it's right there in the part that goes down, that's okay. Just go back over the next one. And there's no worries with that whatsoever. Okay, so here we are. So we've done 2 times around. So this is where your markers come into play. So you can decide how you'd like to decorate it. So we could do hearts. With this one, I actually just did stripes going around. You can see that. So you could decorate it however you'd like. I'm using the permanent marker. Right, do a star. Right, star. Make a sun, right? Sun's been out so wonderful lately, huh? Sun. What else should we do? Could do a butterfly. That. Here we go. Anything you want to do that's going to be for you, all right? So now we have our handle for catching, but now we need something to catch, don't we? So now we have to create something that we're going to catch, and we're going to make a ball out of paper and tape, all right? Let's start that. All right, so what I'm going to do is we're going to make the ball for our game. So the first thing you want to do is get some newspaper. And we're going to take the newspaper and we're going to crush it into a ball. Like that, all right? And then we're going to take our tape and we're going to start forming more of a ball. So we're going to take it and kind of crisscross like that. Take another piece of tape and we'll do just a little bit more. one more this way. All right, and now we've created our ball. So it can go in to our jug catcher. All right. All right. So we finished our challenge. We've made our milk jug catchers. So I have 2 of them here, right? And we can throw the ball to each other and catch it. And that's what we're going to use. So this is something totally fun that you can make at home and have fun over the holiday. With some friends, you can make them and, like I said, decorate them any way you want. So that is our challenge, Milk Jug Catchers, and we are done. And I hope that you tune in next week, which is 1 o'clock on Wednesdays for Midweek Madness for our next challenge. You guys have a great week. See you later. Bye-bye.